Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and for today I have a special guest, JustClarrisse.
Hi!
And we're actually going to do a try not to cringe challenge. I think we're going to have a very difficult time.
I think I'm going to do decently well.
Okay.
I think I can control my face.
Okay. And we actually just filmed a different challenge video where we did Disney trivia on Clarisse's channel, so I'll leave a link below as soon as they're both uploaded. Anyways, without further ado, let's just jump into the video and cringe away. Or not cringe.
Okay.
Hoi, ik ben Maarten.
Oh no. Control my face. Control my face. I didn't cringe.
Oh, I already want to cringe.
I'm not cringing. That was... Oh, dankjewel, Maarten.
Dankjewel.
He caught me so off guard.
And then they just... Okay.
Okay.
Oh god. Oh god. Okay. I'm not cringing. I'm not cringing.
I think I am definitely more confident this time because I've already had that first kiss out of the way. I think my strategy is just go for the kiss, baby.
Oh, I have seen this.
I'm fine. Not cringing.
And who knows, maybe.
I'm having a hard time not cringing. I want to cringe knowing what's going to happen.
I feel bad. I don't want to cringe. I just want to like hug him.
I don't.
No, I don't, because he's very
cringy. Okay. No, cringe.
Hi.
Hello.
Hey.
How's it going?
Good, how are you?
Good. What's your name?
Emily.
I'm Josh.
Hi.
Even his smile. I'm not cringing.
He's like leaning in. Is this like first kiss or something?
Yeah. Kissing a stranger for the first time. You're cringing!
That's not a cringe. That's not a cringe. That's not a cringe. I'm just... She looks so...
Confused.
She's like, what just happened? I'm right.
Is that all?
That was awful. We started to, it turned into a high five and it just fell apart.
Oh, that poor... Oh, you did it again.
Here in this country that do agree
I think I lost
that the
one.
immigration problem is a problem and it does need to be addressed and it does need to be fixed.
Interesting.
But making those comments, those racist comments, do not help.
And if you kick every Latino out of this country, then who is going to be cleaning your toilet, Donald Trump?
Oh. No.
I can't believe she just did that.
No, no, no. Okay, I'm cringing. I'm cringing.
That's terrible.
Oh my god. I think, yeah.
Oh,
I think
God.
that's what she meant.
She said it in the worst way possible.
I know. What is this? You know what this is?
Hi. Hi.
What is this?
I'm not cringing.
What's happening?
I think she's just a kid who is playing around with her filter.
It's not that bad.
Yeah.
It's just, yeah.
She's a kid playing
It's
around
kinda
with some
funny.
editing software. It's fine.
It's just funny.
Stibbs, what is your deck name?
It flies, you dies. So far, I'm only halfway there.
It depends on who the you is referring
I
to.
don't get this.
Huh?
I just don't get it.
We're back to school.
Why is it rap music?
Haircut. Backpacks, come get
No.
your backpack.
Boots and
This is
pants
my
and
thing.
boots and pants.
This is
I
like the
get
worst
it.
ad for a mall.
I get it. They were trying to get everyone involved.
This was like on Channel 5, the TV Guide channel.
So get yourself back to school with these tips.
Oh,
Yeah, I was almost going to call
It
you
was
Lori.
very creepy.
How could I miss? Oh, it's very easy. You're both very pretty.
I'm cringing. I don't like this guy. This makes me so uncomfortable.
Right?
That this was on TV. Like she's... Oh, she did not want that to
Green.
happen.
You feel like a
I
pedophile.
fooled you. I fooled you.
Ew. Ew, why did they put that music?
Why are they letting him kiss
Give
little
lots of hugs and
girls?
kisses out, do you? Hey? Hey?
Would they slow it down?
Not really. Can I have a hug and a kiss?
Yeah, I agree, girl.
I can't have one?
No.
Even if I say and whisper in your ear that Allison You're
Ew, okay,
I still can't have a hug and a kiss?
This is bad.
Well,
This is a
They
bad
keep
man.
slowing
This is a
it
very bad
down.
man.
yeah. You hear that?
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah,
I
You
heard
hear
that.
that? That's a good answer. Oh, you.
Stop! They don't want to be kissed, you freak! Leave these children alone. Oh, no, I don't like
Ew!
this.
This is just disgusting.
I don't like this. This is uncomfortable. There's
Michelle.
more?
See, you get a whole bunch of right answers. And you give out kisses, though.
No, I don't.
No, boys have cooties. Remember that little girl?
Oh. You know what?
I don't care.
He's a cute kid. Cute kid.
Whatever.
Just
It's
doing,
fine.
just living his life.
It's a fad.
Yeah.
So really what we're doing is John would like me to ask you whether he could make out with you.
Oh, that's a bit different to a kiss.
What?
He's asking his ex-girlfriends if he can kiss their mother.
Oh.
Yeah.
All right.
This is so weird. Why would they agree? Why would they agree? Oh.
Why? Don't you have husbands?
No, stop.
Even if you
No,
don't.
no,
And they
really.
just sit there and watch.
No, really. No.
I love her reaction. No.
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 Smaller kiss.
Okay, that's a
Why
smaller
would you
kiss.
kiss even a tiny kiss? The sounds. Oh. I cringed. The
You're
sounds.
making me laugh more than I think. What? They're making... I don't actually know how old he
Okay,
is.
look a
now,
new one.
And then it would be posted all around, and it'll happen in your office.
Yeah, possibly.
You don't think so?
Well, it depends, you know.
Dina, I've got some time and a camera. Why don't you stop by? Do you
Arrest him.
What?
Sorry.
Why would he say that? Oh my gosh, this
Saskia
guy
Moore.
again.
Okay, all right. Maybe we should get a bit closer together.
How many ex-girlfriends does he have? Also, the mom. Would you just shut up? Why? How
did
into
you agree
this
to
are
this?
you?
No, it's okay.
Okay.
Ew, ew. Oh, I hate the sounds. You're right. It's so uncomfortable. Ew.
Just look at their mom. It sounds
She's cringing, which is making me laugh.
just the sound.
They're cute. That reminds me of my brother.
So
Thomas would probably hate
funny.
that I said that. He dances better than that, but...
Yes, get it.
You know what? He's really into it.
I
And
like
I like that.
I like the dedication.
He's giving it 100. He's not just like being like...
I dance like that when I'm
Like,
alone.
he's getting into it. He's like...
Yeah.
That's not terrible. I've seen worse.
It's
I've
just
seen
cute.
much worse. So yeah. It's just cute.
I like that he's so into it.
Notorious, whoever made this compilation. Even though he's a cute kid.
Yeah.
I don't think he's done anything wrong, right?
I'm always looking good. Nice cheekbones, man.
Oh my god, I cannot wait to see you perform.
I'm not
You
your
just know
average
it's gonna be
pop star.
good.
It's a lot of
Oh,
build-up.
American Idol always.
When did you start in
I'm
music?
ready.
I was like 16. I started doing
Ready for
gigs. And do you think you can win? I'm sure.
Oh,
Come on, let's do this.
sure.
Okay, what are you gonna sing for us?
My own version of Alexander Burke, Hallelujah.
Wait, hallelujah?
Got a good voice.
But the person who's with him says it's very powerful.
Yeah! Major Le, the Bafuki, composing, hallelujah.
Hallelujah. Their faces are making me laugh more than cringe. The person who came with him looks shocked. She's like, this isn't normal. This isn't what... She's like,
oh my gosh. She's like,
she looks like,
what is he doing?
Everyone's staring. I didn't realize
the funny
everyone
thing
else
is,
could hear.
he looks like he's dressed so much for rap, and then he chose Hallelujah. It just.
Oh, it's a broken.
Dang it, that guy didn't get me.
These shows just make me cringe in general because, like, there's so much pressure put on these people to perform. And like,
I know. And he's being confident, he's singing, and see Jen just being like, I'd have a hard time not. Don't get me wrong though.
Everyone's just
the host is like,
we're gonna have a lot of jobs from building infrastructure to coding, creating new apps. I don't know who created Pokemon Go, but I'm trying to figure out how we get them to have Pokemon go to the polls.
Relatable.
Cool, Mom.
Next up, Noah Early.
Oh my God! Stop showing him.
This person who created this also really likes this show apparently.
And likes that.
Okay, what happens? Oh no, it's our prime minister.
And
the president. Who's that guy on the far side? Oh no, there's some awkward hits. Oh no.
Oh, Justin,
no.
what are you doing?
No. That wasn't so bad. Actually, I was expecting it to be worse. I feel like it was that guy in the end who was just so eager to shake hands. He was like, shake, shake. Another one of these. This is
are you all right? Yes. No, you are all left.
Oh, no. She's a comedian. Oh, no. No. This is worse than singing. Okay.
Nah.
Oh, that makes me so uncomfortable. Aww. She just started with a bad joke. Could should have given her a second chance.
That was me.
Give her one more joke to redeem herself. Yeah, this person just doesn't like Jacob Sartorius.
And the fun stops just for kids. But what I read.
Wait, you're not gonna sing though?
No, this is just the lyric video.
Oh, of him in a car?
Okay, it's a little weird that I know that. I don't really listen to Jacob Sartorius, but
I can't believe that now.
that was the end of the video? This is really what you're ending on? This isn't even that bad. There are worse songs on YouTube. This person's just like, okay, that was it.
I'm not gonna lie, I definitely cringed a couple times.
Oh, me too. I totally lost. Completely.
I'm sorry. Every time they show that guy kissing a mom, it was like the microphone was right in front of their lips, and I heard.
Yeah, no, that was bad.
I'm happy that we found a good video, because honestly, I thought we were gonna find like a dud. But yeah, I don't know who won. Obviously, we'll find out.
We both lost.
Let's be real. Yeah, that's true. But it was fun, anyways. I hope you guys liked this video and liked having JustClarrisse here. If you want to see more, thumbs up on that button.
This was a lot of fun. I was really glad to do this with you today, and yeah, just enjoyed it.
Yeah.
Thanks for having me.
Make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!